Krazy Karl here, and I've got another project vehicle. I got this basically wholesale. Someone traded in for another vehicle, and the person they traded with had it for sale for $2,000, which, from what I understood, was what they gave for the trade, or pretty close to it. And it's got 175,000 miles on it. It's a 2000 Ford F150. Things wrong with it: the headlights are really badly clouded and are pretty brittle. And the tail light is busted. I've ordered a new set of lights, and they should be coming in. It's actually not too bad rusted out for what it is here. The bed is peeling pretty bad, but it's not horribly rusted out.
So you're saying the truck is appealing?
It's appealing.
I got dad jokes for days.
But biggest thing was tail lights are both busted. That one's busted bad. This one's cracked here and here. So I got new tail lights. I went on and got new headlights and turn signal indicators. It's a manual, 5-speed, and it has the V6, which in 2000 they had fixed the head gasket problem and the main seals and all those problems, the gasket problems that the early versions of this V6 had. The tires are dry rotted out. It has, the clutch is supposed to have been replaced, and it feels fairly new. It's got some, like I said, it does have some rust, but it's not horrible. These doors won't open. The cable ends that Ford used, from what I understand, were plastic. I ordered metal ones to replace them, but it's going to be fun getting these inside panels off so we can get to the cables and replace them to open these doors. That's a future project, though. The parking brake doesn't work. It looks like, I thought it was connected, it was just disconnected. Well, I went to connect it, and I believe the cable broke, because it's catching now. It's what's going, there it goes. It caught for a moment, but the cables aren't tightening. The parking brake doesn't work, so it's got chock blocks. And the seat is dirty, but not horrible. I've cleaned it some. I got the smell of livestock and cigarettes out of the car, so it's a lot cleaner than it was when I bought it.
Well, right now it smells like baked Febreze, so...
Yeah, that's better than livestock and cigarettes.
Yeah, I'll give you that.
But,
oh, what is that? Is that a CB radio? What is that? What is that? What is that?
That's a trailer brake control unit. It has a towing package. From the best I can tell, it was both farm vehicle and construction vehicle. So, and you can see where they put some rust stop stuff down here that, well, the rust stop stuff didn't rust. I'll give it that. But the frame's in good shape. It's in fairly good shape for what it is for a $2,000 truck. It runs good, drives good. Biggest thing I'm having is parking brake, which I've determined that the cables need replaced. And I tried to order cables, and through my local parts place, and he could not get them any way other than the way I'd get them, and it cost him more, so he told me just to order special order cables. So I got to do that. But I did get wire repair stuff, and I'm going to try to patch them while I'm waiting. Well, most of the shipping things I've seen on the cables, they'll be here in November. I need the truck before that, so I'm going to try to make the parking brake work so I don't have to find level spots and stuff to brace against or braking trees to park it. So that's going to be a future project. And like I said, the headlights will be too. This actually, I got it titled this week. I bought it the week before, and this weekend it goes to Tennessee. This coming weekend I have to drive this from Indiana all the way down to Tennessee and back, because I got to go to my parents' farm and I've got a load of stuff to haul down there. So it's going to get its first long road trip, and I really wish I could have got a truck with working cruise control. This one doesn't even have cruise control. It does have a working radio, good working radio, with cassette that I haven't tried yet. I've got to dig out a cassette I don't care about to try it.
Well, obviously, since it's a truck, this kind of truck, you know what cassette it's got to be. You know what cassette...
Oh, come on, I know what I'm going to use.
What?
Oh.
Merle Haggard, right?
Well, I don't have a good Merle Haggard one, but I have a couple recordings of either Billy Joe Shaver or Chris Ledoux. It's probably going to be Chris Ledoux. I've got 3 cassettes I made of Chris Ledoux for other old vehicles I had, so if it ate the tape, I'd just pull another one out and made off the CD.
I've been pronouncing his name Ledoux all these years.
Chris Ledoux.
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 It's French.
I'm an American. It's Ledoux.